All right, it's time to get some legs made. I've got this amazing chunk of cedar here, and I'm gonna rip it in half. So this will be one leg, two leg, but I need to cut it to length. So let's go ahead and do that. Smells so good. Okay, now I need to put this on the joiner to get a nice true edge, so that way I can get it on the table saw, have a flat edge to rip it. Now, I was going to rip it, but I'm going to throw it through the planer first and get it to the right width. There's the legs. Ah,